Starting a business is easy.
Kaya mo magtayo
Kapital lang
bukas
kailangan mo eh.
Bukas na eh.
Makapag-register ka na agad sa business, makapag-construct ka na, makabili ka na ng mga gamit mo, lalapitan ka pa nga ng sales agent dyan sa mga gamit-gamit na kailangan mo, yung opisina, picture ka, let's do this. After starting a business, keeping it alive is it's the hard part. Kaya, yun yung misconception, ang hirap mag-start. Sobrang dali mag-start, Brad. Ang dami nagsa-start eh. 95%, 90% of the businesses that starts fails. Only 10%. Bakit? Kasi consistent yung 10. Consistently growing. Yung iba kasi isang client pa lang nagse-celebrate na eh.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with celebrating. Nothing wrong with recognizing yung small success. Actually, ako, mas in-encourage ko yun. Be goal-oriented than vision-oriented.